Hello everyone. Tired of unsuccessful trades on pocket option? We've found a solution that will change your approach to binary options trading. Meet the 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙚 bot. This is a free Telegram bot for successful and easy trading on pocket option that provides winning signals with a pass rate of more than 90%. The bot conducts an in-depth analysis of market trends using the latest neural network technologies, evaluates all possible risks, and provides the best signals. Today, in 5 minutes, we made a profit of $1,130 thanks to the bot's accurate recommendations. Let's see how it works in practice. First, let's select a currency pair. Today it will be USD CNH/OTC. Then we set the expiration time to 1 minute and wait until the bot gives us the result of its analysis. The bot's first signal worked great. We repeat the same steps again. Don't miss your chance to increase your income with 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙 because it's completely free. To get a bot, follow the link in Telegram, which is displayed on the screen or pinned in the comments, and follow the simple steps. We are waiting for you again on our channel.